Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating word. Our word of the day is care. Care is an A2 level noun meaning attention or concern for someone or something. In simpler terms, it's about looking after someone or something and making sure they're okay. You might say, she takes great care of her plants, meaning she pays close attention to their needs and makes sure they're healthy. Or, he showed care for his friend by listening to his problems. Now, let's explore some synonyms for care. One synonym is concern. For example, I express my concern about your health. Another good synonym is attention. Pay attention to the details is a common instruction. We can also use the word consideration. For example, show consideration for others' feelings. And another synonym is responsibility. It is your responsibility to take care of the dog. Furthermore, precaution also works as a synonym. An example is take precaution when handling chemicals. Now, let's look at some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of care. One antonym is neglect. For instance, the neglect of his duties led to problems. Another antonym is indifference. She showed indifference to the suffering of others. Another antonym is disregard. He acted with complete disregard for the rules. The word carelessness also works as an antonym. His carelessness caused the accident. A further antonym is apathy. There is public apathy towards the election. Let's talk about how we can use care in everyday life. You might hear someone say, "Take care," as a way of saying goodbye and wishing you well. It's a friendly way to tell someone to be safe and cautious. You might also say, "I don't care," which means you're not interested or concerned about something. Or you might hear, "I care about you," which is a heartfelt expression of affection and concern for someone's well-being. Here are some more usage examples. She put a lot of care into planning the party. He doesn't care what others think. The doctor provided excellent care. They need care and attention. The flowers need care and watering. I sent her some flowers to show I care. Please handle this package with care. The old lady needs constant care. The nurse provided excellent care to the patient. He showed great care for the environment by recycling. She doesn't care about money. She just wants to be happy. The company takes care of its employees by offering good benefits. We must take care of our planet for future generations. My parents always showed me care and support. The children are in the care of their grandparents while their parents are away. He needs medical care immediately. They gave the orphan love and care. The teacher shows care for each and every student. She dedicated her life to the care of animals. He doesn't care about the consequences of his actions. The government should take care of the poor and needy. I appreciate your care and concern. With proper care, the plant will thrive. It's important to take care of your mental health. She showed a lack of care for her appearance. So, to summarize, care is an A2 level noun that means attention or concern for someone or something. We learned about synonyms like concern, attention, and consideration, and antonyms like neglect, indifference, and disregard. We also explored how to use care in everyday conversations and common expressions. That brings us to the end of today's episode of Hello Word. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show and continue their English learning journey. And don't forget to create your own sentence using the word care and share it as a comment under the video. I'm looking forward to reading them. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.
Goodbye.